Hello, myself Sundar Ramakrishnan, and here basically we are discussing about one topic, that is the currency topic. And this currency basically we are discussing about that 10 crore matrix basically which has generated 10 crore matrix which has generated in India, and 3 crore matrix basically which is generated by USA. That actually topic we are going to discuss here. So in this basically one person told that basically 10 lakh metrics and 3 lakh 3 crore metrics basically, sorry, 10 crore metrics, and because in India basically more than 190 crore people are there, right? So due to that basically 10 lakh metrics is in 10 lakh metrics will be there basically, 10 crore metrics will be minimum basically will be there. And in USA basically the public is not too much, so there would be 3 crore metrics basically. So like this he told that basically about the matrix basically, up to what level the basically things basically are connected. Then he told that matrix basically, for example, the buildings basically are not moving to left and not moving to right. That is basically matrix. That is literally the matrix basically. That is actually the matrix. Then he told that basically, yeah, that is the matrix basically. So this matrix is created or basically not created. Then he told that basically I had taken one example of the Microsoft. That matrix is created, right? Then he told that yes, basically that matrix is created basically. That matrix basically is created. So like this basically, then he told that basically the matrix is created. That's okay basically by the certain groups basically, and on the base of certain energy basically. For example, Microsoft is one blood cells, right? That group basically taken the responsibility that we will handle this all thing basically. So their responsibility is what they are going to handle this all responsibilities. They are going to handle this all basically responsibilities. So they have taken told that basically we are going to handle this all responsibilities. So so now basically the responsibility are this all list basically are the responsibility. This all are basically the list of responsibility which Microsoft Blood basically has to do. So this basically, in this basically one of the responsibility is balancing of the building basically. That is, the building is not supposed to move left side and not supposed to move right side basically. Not supposed to move left side and not supposed to move right side. So one person basically literally asked the question, then what about that Himalaya mountain basically? The each and every mountain basically which are basically in which basically are situated in Delhi. Then lots of Everest mountain is basically there. What, how basically they are basically matrix? Yeah, basically. Why basically they are not flying basically? Why that mountain basically is not moving here and moving not there basically? What is the reason behind that basically? Then he told that basically that is basically very dangerous question actually. There actually Earth planet matrix is not there basically. Then he told that basically which matrix is there and how basically that Himalaya mountain basically is handling the entire country basically, and how basically the Everest mountain basically is handling the half of the country. Means there are more than 200 country, so half of the country basically is handled by Everest mountain basically. How basically that basically is happening? The question was very dangerous basically. The question basically was very dangerous. In this basically few people told that basically that is not possible. How basically the Himalaya mountain basically can control the entire India basically? That is not possible. Yeah, that is not possible basically. How basically Himalaya here basically in the, not a nuclear company is connected, not an energy company is connected, not a single people power supply basically is connected. Then how basically you are telling that basically the entire Himalaya basically is handling the entire India? Then he told that basically this need to do the investigation. Yeah, basically. This need to basically do investigation, because it's very dangerous thing basically which you have told actually, because anytime basically that if this is like that basically, that means anytime basically anything basically can happen in the any of the city. You want to say that that thing basically? Then he told that yes basically I want to say that only basically directly. Anything basically can happen any time basically in any of the city of India. Then he told that basically how is that possible? If this video basically any group will see basically like Indian security group basically, then they will literally ban your resume or basically literally ban your PAN card also basically. Then he told that basically the fact is basically this only basically. The fact is basically this only. Then he told that basically he basically given one example. American basically Parliament House basically keeps that graph basically, that is the investment graph basically, how many investment basically India has done. That literally basically they keep the graphs in front of them only basically. The 22 crore basically Indian nationality people are staying in USA. Against that 22 crore basically how many investment basically has happened in USA basically. That they keeps on watching na basically. According to that basically they take the decision. According to that basically they takes the decision. But the current basically visa basically which is given basically, that basically is connected with the investment basically which is already done. So he told that basically how this matrix is basically getting calculated. That basically he told that basically USA group basically knows how the things basically are getting calculated. Then he told that basically how basically the investment basically things basically connects to 22 crore people basically. You want to say that basically if India is not investing in USA basically, so 22 crore people basically are going to get in trouble. American basically government are going to give trouble to him basically. Then basically one person told that basically let's we see practically basically whether really basically they are going to give trouble or not basically. Whether they are really going to give trouble or not. Then he told that basically American basically government basically are very old friends basically, they will never basically give trouble to Indian people basically. And they basically literally give the proof also basically that we are friend of Indian to the Indian government. Then one person told that basically question is very dangerous here basically, because there are 22 crore people staying in USA basically. So you want to say that it's connected with directly to investment only basically. So it's basically there is no relationship value, there is no nothing value, only professional value is there. Then he told that basically mostly basically 99% is a professional value only. 1% relationship is there. How basically they told that basically few Indian basically are there in the Parliament House of the USA basically. So that's why basically 1% relationship is there basically. On the basis of 1% basically it's the entire things basically gets changed. Because the investment, why basically that 1% basically are there. He told that basically why basically the relationship basically is there basically. Then he told that basically Indian American basically in American Parliament basically the Indian people basically are there basically. Then he told that why basically they are, because the investment is done basically. Investment is done basically. If anybody anything problem basically occurs, then basically how basically the communication is going to happen basically. Somebody is supposed to tell that basically. Then he told that yes basically this exactly is correct. That means you want to say that 99% is professional thing and then 1% is a relationship. That is not possible here basically. Then one of the person told that basically this type of thing basically can occur basically in future also. So they basically told that basically we will place our people only in the USA. That type of businessmen basically are also there, because they say that basically we have done the investment. We have done the investment. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the currencies and the currencies factors.